How to get started with GeForce Now on your HP Chromebook, optimizing your cloud gaming experience. Recent technology advances have enabled the ever-increasing popularity of cloud gaming. GeForce Now is a service that allows users to play AAA or AAA games anytime, anywhere. And for some HP Chromebook models, it is now available when the Google Play Store app is installed. Before you get going, navigate to the NVIDIA site to confirm that your device meets the system requirements required for cloud gaming with GeForce Now. Then, go ahead and download the app for your HP Chromebook from Google Play Store. Using the GeForce Now service requires an account. To access GeForce Now, you need an NVIDIA account, which you create on the NVIDIA Account portal. Alternatively, you may need to create a local service provider account. Now you can launch the app. With the app downloaded from Google Play Store and your account for the service created, you can launch the GeForce Now app on your Chromebook. Or you can launch it using your browser. You need to agree to the terms of use and log into the GeForce Now app using your NVIDIA account credentials. Sync to start playing your games. To play one of the games you own using the GeForce Now service, you log into your gaming account, such as Ubisoft, Epic Games, or Steam, and sync with that account. You can also play free-to-play games with the service. However, not all games are supported, so check the NVIDIA site to confirm the titles you want to play. Under Connections, click Connect to connect and sync your Epic Games account. Then connect and sync your Steam account. Be sure to optimize your environment. The speed of your network will have huge impact on your cloud gaming experience. A minimum of 25 megabits per second is recommended for streaming under 1080p at 60 frames per second. Before you use the GeForce Now service, be sure to optimize your stream settings according to the capabilities of your network environment. The default streaming option is Balanced, which adjusts the performance, image quality, and gameplay using the available bandwidth. The Custom option allows you to configure the streaming settings for a custom gaming experience. These settings include the data rate, screen resolution, and the frame rate. You are now ready for the optimal cloud gaming experience with GeForce Now. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.